welcome back everyone. And Tuesday, and the wind has come up, and the places like the Marie Celeste, everyone's disappeared into their phones, tablets, some of them just gone straight back to bed, and nothing much is going on. So in a minute we're going outside and we're going to check out the wind speed on the new Kestrel wind meter. Those of you who've been following the channel will realise I've just had a magnificent haircut and a shave, and starting to look a little bit less like a scarecrow by popular request. Actually, I do feel a bit tidier. So yeah, probably a day in, probably a day, maybe 2 days of bad weather. Still waiting for this barge. So in the meantime, I've been farting around with a new setting on my camera, so I'll let you have a look at the results of that. It just this story mode, it just does little clips and takes all the guesswork out of it for you. Not very good at it, but we've got time to practice. In other news, what else is happening today? Not a great deal, really. Let's go and have a look at the wind. Right, thanks for joining us. I've just come up a couple of decks up to where the wind's a bit more. It's supposed to be a shamal blowing in from the northwest. It's going to keep us from doing anything for the next couple of days. And there we are. Right, let's turn on the Kestrel and let's see what that's got to say for itself. Go, maxed out about 23 then. Windy.